Hello friends, welcome to this session on English grammar. In our last two sessions on types of verbs, we understood action verbs and how they are further divided into transitive and intransitive verbs. Then we saw auxiliary verbs, that are helping verbs, which are further divided into primary and modal auxiliary verbs. Friends, if you have not yet watched that session, we suggest you to watch it first to get a better understanding of this session and all the upcoming sessions. So, based on the previous session, classify the underlined auxiliary verbs into primary and modal auxiliary verbs. Hope you could easily recognize them. Let's understand the next type of verb now. Take a look at these sentences. She looks tense. He was happy. Here, the verbs looks and was are connecting or linking the subject she and he to the adjectives tense and happy respectively, that are the complements. So, the verbs looks and was are called linking verbs. They are describing or re-identifying the subject. But friends, now you may be wondering that in the previous session we learned that was is an auxiliary verb. Then how is it linking here? So, a verb can fall into more than one type depending upon its usage. For example, I was dancing with him. Dancing here is the main verb and was is the helping verb which is helping in better sentence construction and also gives an idea that the action was performed in the past. So, when there are two verbs that are close together in one sentence, then the first one is the auxiliary verb. She is here with her dog waiting for you. While in the linking verbs, we will find two verbs at a suitable distance from each other, where the first one is a linking verb. Okay, so coming back to linking verbs, let's see how they are used. With an adjective to describe someone or something. With a noun or pronoun to re-identify. Linking verbs are never used with an adverb. Linking verbs are also known as state of being verbs because they re-identify or describe the subject. For example, she is beautiful. The subject she has been described by the adjective beautiful with the help of the linking verb is. He looks old. The subject he is re-identified as old with the help of the linking verb looks. So, which other verbs can be used as linking verbs? Be and its forms are the only primary helping verbs that can be used as linking verbs. Other primary auxiliary verbs, that is, have and do, and their forms do not act as linking verbs. They either work as an action verb or an auxiliary verb. For example, linking verbs not only connect two words, but they can also connect a subject to the predicate. More importantly, it is the only verb in a phrase or a clause. Linking verbs are also sensory verbs like look, sound, smell, taste, and feel. Other linking verbs are appear, become, grow, remain, seem, stay, turn, prove, etc. Sometimes action verbs too can be used as linking verbs. So hope you have understood our session today. Identify the linking verbs from the following sentences. Hope you have got all the answers correct. Friends, you may suggest any such topic related to English grammar and vocabulary which you find difficult by posting it in the comment box below. Before you leave, take a look at these online courses hosted on our platform www.letsdude.com. See you soon. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and subscribe to Let's Dude. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified with our latest updates.